Welcome to CORO Hotel. This is a place where memories are made. Whether you're a frequent traveler, busy executive, pet parents, friends, family member, or simply someone who enjoys life to the fullest, come and experience this new hotel located in Poblacion, Makati City, Philippines. You can also enjoy perks when you book direct from their website at www.corohotel.com. You will receive 2 welcome cocktail drinks at Coda Wet Bar, 10% discount at Coda Bar and Food Restaurant, and 15% discount at Sonata Spa. Your best bud stays for free and is more than welcome at CORO Hotel with their designated pet-friendly rooms as cozy as your own. Your for baby be fully vaccinated, free of fleas and ticks, and that their medical card be presented upon check-in. Your furry friend should also be supervised should you decide to take them to any of our public areas. Pets are not allowed to swim. Now it's time to unleash, unwind, and snuggle up with your best bud. breakfast buffet for two. The restaurant is located in mezzanine floor. The buffet include items like muffins, croissants, toast, and other baked goods. Hot items such as sausages, bacon, fried potatoes or hash browns, scrambled eggs, and many more. Fruit, yogurt, and cereals. A buffet-style breakfast allows guests to choose their favorite items and to eat as much as they like. Maintaining high standards of cleanliness and hygiene is important, as a buffet can become busy, and there's a risk of contamination.
You'll be alright,
Everything about this hotel was great. Beautiful room, tasty breakfast, friendly staff, and a perfect location. We will definitely go back to this hotel. We really enjoyed our staycation at CORO Hotel.